Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5 and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. First of all, open Devices settings and then scroll down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down again, click on Font and Display Size, and swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out preview above. So finally, when I tap on the back button, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!